Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by connecting the phone to the PC with a reliable USB cable. Once connected, unlock the phone so the system can access tethering options. This prevents permission prompts from blocking setup. Make sure mobile data is active and the carrier permits tethering, otherwise you'll only see a local connection. On most phones, select the USB mode prompt. On others, open Settings and search Tethering. At this point, you're ready to enable the tethering feature and let the PC detect the new network. Once done, enable USB tethering on your phone, usually under Network and Internet or Connections, so the phone shares mobile data as a USB network. Make sure the PC recognizes the device. Open Network Settings or Device Manager and look for a new Ethernet or mobile adapter. If the PC prompts for drivers, accept or install the correct OEM drivers. This resolves most connection stalls. If you use Windows, allow the network as private if you trust it. When the adapter shows connected, traffic should you end by confirming internet access. Open a browser and load a page or ping a reliable site. This verifies routing. If connectivity is limited or the adapter stays disconnected, first unplug and reconnect the cable, try a different USB port, and restart both devices. Reboots fix driver handshake problems. If issues persist, check APN and tethering restrictions with the carrier or update phone firmware and PC drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to a known good cable and port before changing settings, because faulty hardware is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.